you ever wanted to do an outdoor, what they call a Christmas cone tree, 7 foot tall, I just want to show you how simple, and then we're going to go right outside, put it up, and show you the lights. It just comes with these components. You get a lighted star. This is the base, already together, hinged out. These are the feet. You get your box of RGB lights. These are 295 LEDs with the Smart app. Now the SmartDawn, their app is awesome. I mean, it is very good. Your poles for 7 feet. Let's go out and put it together. All right, so all we got to do is start with our base, which is all put together already. You need this plate here that goes on because that keeps the legs from folding back up. Springs with clips. All around your feet you have holes. So you're going to clip every spring. All right, so here we are up and running. You have your on-off button and controller, your hand controller right here. And you can just toggle away and run all types of different combinations. So the real fun comes in with the SmartDawn app. So you can go, once you select your device, this can run multiple. I got lights up on the house. It can do all different types. Each one comes with its own name. And I can do solid colors. Dial in whatever I want there with my finger. And now I'm going to go to the effects page on the app. And I can just, these are pre-programmed. They're a lot of fun. We can just click on any one we want. Let's do a rainfall. Look at this. A little waterfall. I like that. Let's do some red waterfall. Blue, we can change, and also you can change the speed. You can do kind of a diagonal. You can do all kinds of things. I mean, they've got probably 25, 30 pre-programmed. And the thing is, you can match this up. So if you're running these, and then you have up on the house, I have another SmartDawn set of lights. And you can match up these programs if you want. So you can have them all running the exact same color effect. All you do is select the light in the app. You can give the light a name. That way you can always find it. And then you can just program your whole house, everything in your yard. If you're using the SmartDawn lights and SmartDawn app, they can all sing together, or they can all do something different. So check out this 7 foot cone light from SmartDawn, and you'll have a lot of fun. See you next time.